In this video, I will show you a simple method to grow grass in your lawn. This method works very well and you will see results within just 7 to 10 days. I will show you the method step by growing the grass in my own lawn. If you followed the same, you would be able to grow grass at your own and that without seeds and free of cost. Here is the area of my lawn. You may see there is no grass at all. Recently, this area was extended in the lawn and fresh soil was filled. That is why this area is still without grass. Step 2. It is very important to select healthy and thick grass from another part of the lawn. It is also important to choose grass that is green, strong and free from disease. Healthy grass increases the success rate of replanting. Step 3. This is very important step. Carefully remove grass along with its roots by hand or using a garden tool. Make sure to pick the grass with roots because strong roots help the grass settle quickly in the new area. Step 4. Before replanting, prepare the soil well. Make it surfaced for smooth and leveled settling of grass. Clear the bare area from all debris and small stones. Step 5. In planting, just pick a small bunch of grass and place into the prepared soil by using this garden tool. Press the grass gently into the soil so the roots make good contact with the ground. Plant the grass at 8 to 10 inches distance. Then cover whole of the bare area in the same way. Step 6. After planting, water the area thoroughly. Watering is very important at this stage. The soil should stay moist but not flooded. For the next days, water the area so the soil may not dry. The 7 days are most important. Water the grass regularly, especially in the morning or evening. Avoid walking on the replanted area during this time so the roots can settle properly. After 7 days, you can see the result. The grass has started growing, the color is improving, and the bare patch is turning into green. The grass is almost settled and it will turn in lush green lawn within 2 to 3 months. Remember, if the grass is planted in the months of March, April to August, then it will grow rapidly. And if it is planted in the months of December to February, then it will take some time, maybe 2 to 4 months. Lastly, it is important to note that always use healthy grass with strong roots, keep the soil moist, avoid direct foot traffic, be patient and consistent with watering. I think this is very simple method. Anyone can grow grass by using these tips. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more lawn care and gardening tips. Thank you for watching.